What's up, y'all? Let's do a quick little cold start since it rained with my Fordzilla. I just redid the exhaust and now it has stacks on it. Yeah, look at that fitment. Fits nice and neat. And if you notice, I did rhino line the bottom half of my truck on my rockers. Look down here. Yes, it's actually, the stacks are bolted to the bed. Took the catalytic converter off, got a flow master, and run stacks. So yeah. Yeah. That don't sound too bad. Didn't get any water down the pipes from the rain, so that's good. Yeah, just a quick little cold start with the new exhaust on Fordzilla. I like the way it sounds. Get a little chooch. Yep, there you have it. Later, y'all.